Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the new items on this new update. So you can basically wear everything on this podium here, and you can even buy stuff. There should be like an E button somewhere for the store, but like it's for just like your avatar. You don't actually have to like buy stuff here. You can just like wear it, as you can see. You can also now wear this men's shirt. You can do that. Maybe you want it for like an oversized t-shirt if you'd like to. You can also vote for themes, and you'll have like these new post packs. You'll get it for free. I like the Apple Dance. It's not perfect, but anyways. So, I'll just like put on a skirt or something. I don't know. Oh, so like men can wear everything on like from this collection as well, because it's very hard to like find men's clothes. So I think it's good that they incorporated that. Another thing is that they revamped the entire like rooms as well. Like even Lana is different here, but you can still use the like baddie nails here. Okay, so one thing they can also do is you can use this apple as a prop, which I think is pretty cool. You can select the apple, you can change the color, and you can even add in patterns to the apple itself. So that's mostly the thing. It's not the biggest update, but it is an actual collab with Charli XCX, so I think it's pretty cool. You can also, if you go to like the lobby, I can go to the lobby now. If you go to lobby, it's different. There's like a DJ booth, and the runway is also different. And when the theme is like green, it's going to play Charli's songs on the runway. But yeah, that is pretty much like the update on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Oh, I forgot. There's new makeup and new hair. So if you go here, there's new makeup. And there's also some new hairs. The other update will also be coming soon on the 22nd. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.